and welcome back to the D4U USA channel. If this is the first time that you are joining us, welcome! We are immigration experts helping entrepreneurs and professionals live their American dream through their business, their investment, and their profession. I am attorney Mari Ribeiro, a lawyer licensed in the state of Florida, and today we're going to talk about why dentists are excellent candidates for obtaining a green card through the EB2 National Interest Waiver. Now, before we get started, while yes, I am an attorney, it's important that you understand I am not your attorney unless we have an agreement that says otherwise. So everything we're going to be talking about is not to be considered as legal advice, and it is only to be used for educational purposes only. This is because every one of you and your situation is unique, and that's why I invite you to reach out to us so that we can give you personalized attention and guidance on how you can live your American dream through your profession. So let's jump into today's video. So why are dentists great candidates for the EB2 National Interest Waiver? Firstly, because there is a shortage of dentists all around the United States. Specifically, there are over 6,000 areas in which these shortages are happening, and these people are lacking dental health care professionals. These areas cover a population of over 59 million people, and only 29% of their needs are met. So the United States needs over 10,000 dentists to move to these shortage areas to give people the dental care that they need. The states that are included in these shortage areas are Florida, Arizona, Texas, New York, and the state of Washington. So even though there are these 5 states that have this shortage, the problem is a national one. The shortage is one of the biggest reasons why dentists are excellent candidates for an EB2 National Interest Waiver. And this is a great time to explain what is the NIW stand for, the National Interest Waiver. What does this mean? And some of you may already know. NIW means National Interest Waiver, where the United States will waive the requirement of having a U.S. employer sponsor your petition because the work that you are setting out to do in the United States is of national importance. So these statistics that I just shared with you show that the shortage of dentists is a national problem in which dentists from abroad would absolutely be able to address. Of course, the applicant has to be eligible to apply for the EB2 by having their diploma and at least 5 years of experience in their field. One of the questions we often get is whether you need to reevaluate your diploma in the United States. For purposes of the EB2 National Interest Waiver, there is no requirement that you need to reevaluate your diploma or be in the process of revalidating your diploma in order to apply. However, when you are applying for the EB2 National Interest Waiver, you will submit what's called a professional plan that lays out your plan for the next 5 years as a dentist. Here is where you may want to state your intention to revalidate your diploma as part of your professional plan. So for example, some applicants may not plan to revalidate their diploma because they do not intend to enter the workforce as an employee, but instead they intend to run dental offices and hire other dentists to actually perform the dental services. In this case, the applicant is really creating jobs where there is an industry shortage. This may be a great option for dentists who have worked over 30 years in their field and don't necessarily want to study and sit for an exam to revalidate their diploma. Of course, if you need help figuring out which is the best option for you, don't hesitate to reach out to us at D4U USA, and we will see you on the next video.